Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP Deskjet 2721E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask 3-in-1. If you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is wireless printer. I'm going to show you the features for this printer. So you switch this printer on and off from here. So this is the on and off button, and this is LCD screen. This button here is for you to cancel. This button here is for you to resume. This is the Wi-Fi button. This is the information button, and this button here is for you to copy color, and this button here is for you to copy black. And this printer is with rear paper tray, so you can load various sizes of paper: A4 paper, 4x6, 5x7, and adjust it. Okay, and you can see from the LCD screen, you can see 0 and the Wi-Fi light is flashing. What I want us to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink 305 ink cartridges is what it's using, 305 ink. And to replace the ink, what you need to do, you need to open up this, okay, and the ink cartridges holder is on the center. Now what you need to do is to replace to show you how to replace the ink. Open up this printer usually comes with ink cartridges, okay. This is 305, 3 colors and black. So install the ink, open it up, and this is the black. Pull off. Okay, now if you go in to the black goes to the right. Okay, push it in. Now the next is 3 colors. Pull off. Okay, go in, push it upwards. Now close. Okay, and you can see the gauge for the ink cartridges is now full up. Okay, we'll show you that it's full. So this is how to replace the ink. Okay, if you want to remove it, the same thing is applicable. We just need to open it up. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it. Just need to wait. Here we go, it's ready. Just push down and remove it. So this is how to replace the ink. Okay, push it back up, do the same thing to this end, push it up. Now close. So this printer now the ink is ready. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Check out my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. HP Deskjet 2721. I'm going to show you how to set this printer up with your computer. Okay, to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with the computer, what you need to do is you need to go to the Play Store, go to Windows Microsoft Store, okay, and type HP Smart App, or you download the driver for this printer and type HP Smart App, okay. And this HP Smart App, download it on your laptop, and it's downloading on my laptop. Okay, and you can see now this is the HP Smart app. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the on top, just you see add print, you see printer image, okay, and see add and set up a printer. Select add and set up a printer, and it will start to look for available printer. So what it's doing now is going to start. Here we go. So I found the printer HP Deskjet 2700 series. This is this printer. Okay, you select on it. Okay, and now is what is telling us time to connect and manage your printer. Connect and manage your printer. Select continue. Okay, and connect printer to Wi-Fi network. So what is doing now is, here we go, access Wi-Fi for the following network. Okay, but what I want to do is select no thank you. Okay, so that now I need to put the information. So this is the office Wi-Fi network. So what I'm going to do now is to put the Wi-Fi password, which I have here with me. Okay, so I'm going to put the information. I also want to mention, if you ask you to put a capital letter when you are putting this information, do the same thing. If you ask you to put a small letter, do the same. Okay, you can also select the I sign to check the information you put, if you are happy with the information you put. So what I'm doing now is checking the information to make sure that the information that I put is correct. Okay, and I'm happy with it. So the next thing to do is select connect. Okay, and now what is doing, you must stay on this screen while this step complete. This might take a few minutes. Okay, so what is doing now is communicating. You can just cross off this. Okay, and also printer is found. So I found the printer. So the next is sending network information. Now it's asking us press and hold the flashing image information button. Okay, and you can see from the printer information button is flashing. Okay, so what you need to do is press this and remove. Press it once and remove. Here we go, and the printer is actually set up, but you need to wait for this to finish. Okay, and they can see, here we go, printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Okay, so this is for you to see that the printer is now connected to Wi-Fi network. Printer connected to Wi-Fi. Let's continue our guide setup. Okay, you can see the printer is connected. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to click continue. Click continue. Okay, and it's getting ready. So what it's doing now is getting printer driver information. So it's getting the printer driver information. Here we go, you can see the app, launch app. Okay, now you can see this is the printer here, HP Deskjet 27 all-in-one printer. Okay, and it's telling us tray empty or open, so the paper tray is not. Okay, you can see this is the ink. Okay, so now this printer is ready. This is HP Deskjet 2700 series. This is the ink cartridges. Once you set this printer up and everything, it will show you the estimated ink level. Okay, and also will show you the printer status, showing us now paper is out. So what we need to do is just to load the paper. But in terms of the supplier status, all the necessary information regarding this printer now this is here. Okay, from this HP's smart app, you can go to printer setting, print document, scan, shortcut, printable, print photo, help, mobile, fax. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with computer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. I'm going to show you how to scan a document from this printer, okay, using a mobile device. This printer is connected to my mobile device and is connected to the same network. Okay, check my video, you see how we connected this printer to send to Wi-Fi network. What I want to do is to show you how to scan a document. We're going to scan this document. To scan the document, open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan face down, close it. Now go to the app, HP Smart App, select printer scanner. Okay, and the printer scanner is ready. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select the paper size, page size. If you are using different paper, then you need to select. If you are using letter 5 by 7, 4 by 6, 3.5 by 5, okay, or A4, then you need to select. So what we selected now is A4 paper. Okay, then you go back. Source is glass scanner. Resolution, select resolution. The maximum you can do resolution is 300 dpi with mobile phone. At the moment it's in 200 dpi. Okay, and color, you can select color or black. At the moment it's in color. Okay, then select, go back again, select start scan. Now this document is scanning. Okay, you can see the document to scan. Now the next you need to do is select next. If you're happy with it, then you select next. Okay, and now if you want to scan another document, to scan the second document, open up the scanner, remove this and stick the second document you want to scan on top of the scanner, close it. Okay, now go to the app, select add on top, add. Okay, do the same thing, select scan. I also want to mention, if you want to scan photo, then you need to select photo. If you want to scan document, you need to select document. So we are scanning document. Okay, select scan. Here we go. So the second document we scan is here. Okay, so you can also make sure that it's full. Okay, If you have it auto, you can make sure that it's full. Okay, once you are ready, select next. Okay, and this is the first and second document will scan. So this is the document will scan. Now if you want to print this document out, you can also print it out. You can also share this document. You can save. So many things you can do with this document. Okay, select print to print it out. Okay, now you select how many copies, page range, color, orientation. If you want more, select more setting, select quality and scaling, then go back, select print. This is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, so this is the document we scan, printed it out. Now, and it will also show you on the app that our printing job is on the way. Okay, start saving, not now. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is this document. Ideally, when you scan the document, you need to save it, okay, for you to be able to print it. So now, because we didn't save this document, so we'll scan it again. Select scan. Okay, make sure you have it full. Okay, select next. Okay, and remove this document. Stick the second one you want to scan on top. Close it. Select add. Scan again. Okay, select full, click next. Okay, this is the first and second one. So we printed this document out. What I want to show you is to save this document, select save. Okay, you save this document, you can add your name or anything you like to be able to remember. Click save, and this document now is saved. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is to share this document. Okay, via email. Select share. Okay, select share. Also make sure before you share the document, make sure you select PDF. Okay, so that is, and also sharing the file, you can share the actual size or reduce it. Okay, the actual size is 0.6 MB. You can have it medium to reduce it. Click share. Now I give you option to share this via several platforms: email, WhatsApp, Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to share this via Outlook email. Okay, this document now is attached to my inbox. Okay, I'm going to type the email address of the person I want to send it to. I want to send this back to myself. Click send. Click OK. So this document now is sent to myself. Okay, pretty much our job is done here. The next thing we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, so you go to the inbox. Okay, go to the inbox and wait for this document we sent to the inbox. Here we go. This is the document. Okay, this note to self. This is the document sent to my inbox. Click it open. This is the document to scan. and sent to my inbox. Okay, so if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. So we have been able to scan this document, printed it out, share and save. Okay, thank you. If you want, I also want to mention, if you want to know the document, where the document you save, you go to your file, go to your phone, my file, okay, go to documents, okay, and select this is the document, open it up. Okay, so this is the document we save. Okay, you can also check, you can use the date, or it will also tell you the particular time or the date you save the document. So this is how it works. You just need to go to your file, okay, go to the file and check the document you save, where you save it, and this is the document here. Okay, thank you very much. This is HP Deskjet 2620. This printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network and also with my laptop. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document with this printer. To scan your document from this HP printer to computer, stick the document you want to scan face down and close it. From the HP Smart App, select scan, and when you select scan, then the next thing to do, you need to select from the setting. The source is glass scan, and advanced preset, you need to select if it's photo, document or book or ID card. What you want to scan is document, and also scan area is A4. If you want to scan the entire area, then you select specific one, letter 4x6, 5x7. What you want to scan is A4. Now output, the next we want to do is we want to scan the output as color. Okay, so scan the output as color and resolution. The next you scroll down and select the maximum resolution is 1200 dpi when using your computer. So I want to leave it at the moment is in 300 dpi. Then the next to do is for you to select scan or select preview. If you select preview, it gives you option for you to see. If you select preview, for instance, it gives you option for you to see the document you are scanning, what it will look like. So this document now is scanning. Okay, now this is the document we scan. Okay, this is the document we scan. Now, so if you're happy with it, or if you want to select to scan entire area, then you select and scan entire area. Okay, sometimes if you select to scan A4, it will only scan A4. If you want to select entire area, it's a lot bigger, so select scan. Okay, this is the document we scan. If you want to scan another one, okay, what you need to do is you remove this document and stick the second one. So you put the second document you want to scan on top of the glass scanner, face down and close it. Now select add. Okay, if you look on top, you will see add. So select add. Okay, when you select add, it will give you option to do the same thing again. So you select scan, select the entire area and select scan. So now this document is scanning the second page. Okay, so this is the document we scan. Okay, and I'm happy with it. If you want to print this document out, okay, what you need to do, you need to select print. When you select print this document and give it some time for this document to be ready, then also you need to make sure you select correct printer, which is HP Deskjet 2600 series. So scroll down from the printer list, then you select the correct one. And if you're happy from the list, now the other thing is in terms of orientation. So we want this to be in portrait, okay, and you can see it's in portrait. Now also paper size is A4 paper, okay. So any particular paper you want to use, you can scroll down and select any particular paper you want to print this document from. So what you want to do is to print this from A4 now, and also scroll, select photo size, okay, you can see full page. Now select layout, one photo per page or multiple photo per page. You can select one photo per page or multiple photo per page, for instance, and also scroll down. Okay, you can also select more settings. You can select more settings. If you select more settings, for you to change, see paper size A4, plain paper, main source, print quality normal, and print in grayscale or color is in colored, and also can see portrait. Now in this is where you print it on both sides, okay, print on the other side. So you can select print on both sides manually, you can select flip over, select yes to print on both sides, okay, and select print. So select okay, and once you select all the stuff you need to select print. Now this document, we're going to print it on both sides. And when printing on both sides is something that I want to show you. Once you this document print, okay, we need to go put the other document back inside to print on the second page. Okay, you can see this is the document we printed out. Sometimes I do receive questions from people when you scan the document, okay, and want to print it out. Some person have received message that the document the scan shrink. So you need to make sure you print on full page or full surface for you to get this in large format. If you scan this document and want to print it on A4, sometimes it's shorter. So you need to make sure you select print, scan the full page for this document to scan. Now the next thing I want to show you is, now this document we printed out, okay, to print the second page you need to turn it the other way around, upside down, okay, to turn it, okay. So this is the one we printed out, so turn it and put it back inside the paper tray, okay. So put it back inside the paper tray and select continue to be able to print the second page, okay. And now the second page is printing. So this is the document we printed out, we scanned and printed it out double-sided, okay. So this where you save paper. Some printers will do this automatically for you, but sometimes you need to do this by yourself, okay. This printer is using your computer, you need to do this by yourself manually, okay. So now we scanned document, printed it out double-sided. The other thing I want to show you is how to save this document. To save this document, you need to select save, okay. Select save to save this document, and it will ask you where do you want to save this document. Basic PDF, then you select basic PDF, click save. This document now is going to save in my document. Then you can type something to remember it, okay. So you type something to remember, click save, and this document, you can see the file has been saved. Now the other thing I want to show you is how to share this document with others. To share this document, you need to select share button. Okay, select share image, and it will ask you how do you want to share this basic PDF. Select share. It will give you option to share this via email. So I'm attached to my email, and this document now is attached to my email. I'm going to send this back to myself. So you type the email address of the person you want to send this to, click send. So you type the subject and also type your email here. Okay, then click send. Now this document is sending to my inbox and it's sent now. So pretty much our job is done. The only thing to do is for you to see this document we sent to my inbox. You just need to go to the inbox and wait for this document to arrive. Here we go. You can see the document just arrived. Here it is. Okay, you can select on it. Now click it open. This is the document sent inside my inbox. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. What I want to show you is I received a question. Someone asked how to print document from mobile device to HP printer. The rules are you need to make sure that your mobile device and the printer both are connected to the same network. Okay, and now you have the paper. So to print out the document, you need to go to your file on your mobile device. There are two ways to do this. When you select file, then you look for the printer to add, or you go to HP software. So we need to, I'm going to show you two ways to do this. Okay, so go to your mobile device, you go to file. Okay, go to file, my file. So open it up, then you go to, depending if you are printing photo or if you are printing document. If you are printing photo, then you need to select photo. If you are printing document, then you need to select document. If it's a document you download on your mobile device, you need to select download. Okay, so now I'm going to select document. Then these are documents saved on my mobile device. So you need to select a particular one. This is the document I want us to print. Here we go, and it's opened. Okay, now to print out this document, you need to go on top. You will see 3 dots. So select the 3 dots, okay, on top, and it will show you this option: page sorter, page view, full screen. You need to scroll down to select print. Scroll down to make sure you select the correct printer, HP Deskjet 27 series. So select the printer and you wait for the printer name to show, printer image to show. It will highlight yellow here. Okay, now once the printer image is showing, you need to scroll down to select how many copies, color, and if you want to print this two-sided. Okay, so select color. I want us to print this black and white, and two-sided. Okay, this document now, scroll down and select orientation is portrait, how many page, all page. This printer, okay, it won't print two-sided here. You can select more option. If you select more option, it gives you for you to select the paper type or quality, normal, fit to scale. Okay, then you go back. Then the next thing to do is select print. So this document now is going to print. You can see this is the document we printed out. This is the first one, black and white color. Okay, the second one is printing. Here we go. This is the second one. So this is the document we printed out. Okay, the first and second one, black and white. Okay, now I'm going to show you another way to print document from your mobile device to HP printer. The next thing to do is you need to go to HP Smart App, go to the software, HP Smart App, here it is. Okay, you need to make sure the printer is, so you need to make sure the printer is ready. Okay, this is HP Smart App and the printer is showing us ready. Okay, printer is ready. To print your document, from here, you need to go to print documents, select print documents. Then you need to select if it's photo or PDF. So select PDF. Okay, and when you select PDF, then you need to go to the file. Okay, select the file you save. This is the document we want to print out. Okay, to print it out, you need to select print, the button, select print, and it's processing. Okay, now the next thing to do, you need to select how many copies. So we want to print this color. Okay, and the paper size is A4 paper. Orientation, portrait, select more option, go to scaling, normal. Scaling is fit to fill page and quality is normal. Okay, then you go back. Okay, and this document you want to print, it will show you want to print this in color. Then select print. So we are printing this now from HP Smart App, and the document is printing. We are printing it in color. This is the first one. Okay, so now this is the document we printed out. You can see the first one and second one in color. We printed this one in black and white. So these are two ways to print documents from your mobile device to HP printer. Okay, these are two ways to do this. You need to make sure that the printer is connected to the network, and once it's connected, then you need to go to your file, look for the document you want to print out, and select. If you also want to print only one page, you need to select print. For instance, to print only one page, select one of one. So to print only one page, select one of one. Okay, so to print only page one, you need to select page 1 to 1. Okay, which is 1 of 1 instead of 1 to 2. Okay, so select print. For instance, now this document is going to print only page 1. Here we go. We'll just wait. Okay, this is to show you we printed only one page. If you want to print the second page, okay, you select 2 of 2. If you want to print page 1, 1 of 1, second page is 2 of 2. If you want to print all, then you select 1 to 2. I hope this helped. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to print document from this printer. Thank you and stay blessed. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print document from laptop or computer to HP printer. There are 2 ways to do this. Okay, to print document from your computer to HP printer, what you need to do is you need to make sure your computer and the printer both are connected to the same network. Okay, and when both are connected to the same network, what you need to do is you need to go to the file. Okay, so go to your file, and now the next thing to do is you go to the document, open the document up. Okay, now this is the document we want to print out. Okay, for instance, now on top of it, okay, on top you will see printer image. You will see print or save. So select print. When you select print, then you need to, from the printer on top, you need to select the correct printer. This printer is HP printer, so we need to scroll down from the list and look for HP Deskjet 2700 series. Okay, so what we are looking for is HP Deskjet 2700 series. Okay, and it will tell you the printer is ready. Here it is ready. HP Deskjet 2700 series is ready. Now the next thing to do is you need to select how many copies of document you want, and also select the layout. You can have it landscape. This is landscape, and this is portrait. Now the next is for you to select how many copies you want to print out. You can select all or odd page only. Odd page is for you to print page 1, page 3. Then even page is for you to print page 2, page 4, page 6. Okay. You can also select the color. Now the color, you can select black and white or color. So you select color for it. For instance, now another option is print on both sides. Okay, so with this printer now, it's showing us from, okay, showing us print on both sides. I'm not sure whether you're able to print from the both sides, but you want to try it to see if we can be able to print on both sides. Okay, print on both sides and select print. Okay, and once it's telling us the first set of document is printing. When printing is complete, reinsert the printed page into the tray as shown. Okay, so now what we need to do is you need to take this end, okay, and put it back inside for you to print double-sided with it. Okay, and the next thing to do is select, once you're ready, select continue. So now this document is, you can see, is going to print the other side. So some printers will give you option for you, they will do this automatically. They will print the first one and go back inside to print the second one, but in this case you do it manually. Here we go. So you can see the document we printed out. This is the first one and second one. So we printed out double-sided. Another way to print a document from this print from your computer, okay, to HP printer is for you to go to HP Smart App. Okay, this printer is connected to HP Smart App. So I'm going to type HP Smart App. Okay, and this HP Smart App. So now to print a document, you select print document, select print document, and select OK. It will ask you supported file, select OK. Now you select the document you want to print. So go to your document. Okay, so now it's in document. Then you need to scroll down and look for the document you want to print out, and scroll down to the file for the document you want to. So what I'm doing now is looking for the document you want to print out. Okay, you can select any particular document, this image. Okay, and this the document, this is the first and second one. Okay, the other thing you need to do is you need to make sure you select the correct printer. Okay, select the correct printer and select print. So you can also select the portrait. Okay, and also select the correct paper, A4 paper, and paper type is plain paper, output is normal, how many copies. Okay, and also this one is print on one side instead of printing on both sides, and printing all pages as well. You can select more option. If you select more option, it will ask you to select the color orientation. Okay, select the color, click OK, or quality, and once you've done that, select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, so this is the document we printed out from computer to HP printer. So these are ways to do this, okay, by selecting the file, or you select print document from HP Smart app on your computer. You can also go to the file and select print, select the document you want to print and look for available printer. In this case, HP Deskjet. Select the printer and send the job to the printer to print it out, okay? And also you are able to print double-sided, whereby you print the double-sided and turn it the other way around and print the second one. Some printer, like I mentioned earlier, some printer will allow you to do the automatic double-sided printing. They will turn it, when they print one side, they will go back inside and turn the other side. But this case, you have to do it by yourself. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.